Welcome. I'm here at the AWS booth at Hannover Messe 2026, standing in front of our engineering and development tunnel. We're hearing from our manufacturing customers how they want to be able to develop products faster, be able to do concurrent engineering across mechanical, software, electronics, and services, and be able to create new business value for their connected products data. And we're helping customers achieve this by creating a product digital thread, by taking data from their MES system, their ERP system, their PLM system, and creating a knowledge graph using AI and agentic systems to be able to connect all that data together for them to be able to create this digital thread. And through this digital thread, they can start addressing use cases like intelligent requirements, quality management, and optimizing their aftermarket service parts business. This week at Hannover Messe, we're excited to announce the launching of Engineering Development Hub. This is our new solution targeted on engineers and developers, enabling them to take advantage of AWS's compute and storage services to focus on development of hardware, software, and electrical through a dedicated portal that allows them to focus on engineering rather than actually building and consuming cloud services. If you want to learn more, please go to the AWS Solutions Library or our AWS Labs GitHub repository, where you can actually download the open source code and deploy it into your account and get started today.